It was almost 3 decades ago, somewhere in '94. I was inside a ship's tank overseeing some work. And I told to myself, this manual method of cleaning the bottom sludge of a tank is really not the way. We should be employing robotics for this. And I remember telling myself, if no one does this, then I will make the robots. And of course, the time came just a couple of years back. I was talking to Oil India Limited officials, and they told me that, look, if you are able to make this, we will support you. And they did support me, wonderful people to work with. And we were incubated with IIT Guwahati, Technology Incubation Center. Very supportive, brilliant people, very supportive people. It was a pleasure to work with them. And we managed to make 2 models of robots. One is for the crude oil tank sludge bottom cleaning, and another one for washing and stripping the retail petrol pump tank. The crude oil tank robot that we made, I can very proudly say it's one of the best designs in the world today in terms of its features. We told ourselves right at the beginning of this project that we'll make it so compact that we are able to pass under the heating coils. And also, we considered very important to put a pump on the robot because you can't pump thick sludge through long hoses using vacuum. It's not a very practical method. So we put a pump on the robot, and in spite of that, we managed to make it so compact that it passed under the heating coil. So that's an achievement. That's a USP when you look at the few contemporaries around the world. This stands out because of this very, very unique features.